guys? We're gonna have a quick little recap here before we get into this video. So YouTube has been really far behind on all of these things going on with my social media. It's mainly been TikTok and Instagram, but we sold the 5th gen. Connor Sonnenberg bought that. Search him up. He's been doing a lot of stuff to the truck. He's taking care of it. But we got a new build here. We got a 3rd gen Mega Cab Laramie. 5.9 Cummins, of course. This is our new project for the channel. We got this thing all torn apart. It goes off to paint in a week and a half. We've been hustling to get some stuff done. I'll show you what's going on so far. As far as the back here, I've been rust reforming the frame. I haven't done the leaf springs because, again, we're gonna do air ride on this truck. And we got the front all torn apart. I had the valve cover off up here. We got a new valve cover coming from the diesel marketplace. And we got some 22 by 14 KG1 forged on some 33 Venoms. I was making another video for social media for this bumper, and I had the new plastic pieces for the front of it because someone had an accident with it prior to me. Not really an accident, but like it was a farm truck. So I took off the cover that I had painted, and I realized that this bumper kind of got messed up. You see it's a little tweaked there. It's got some dents up here up front, and the fog light housing is all bent. The real part of this video today, of course, is gonna be this box right here from Boost. Boost hooked us up with some switchback mirrors. They're gonna get painted here in a week and a half as well, and this truck's gonna be looking sweet. Opening up the box here, of course, we got our left and right mirror. Well, actually, I'm opposite. This is left, that's right. But we're gonna get these opened up and showcase these. All right, guys, as you see, we got the mirror out. Let me tell you, this thing is beautiful. Boost really never disappoints. You got to spend your money right, especially on mirrors. The cheap ones on Amazon or wherever else you get them, eBay, they're not worth your time. These are going to have the nice switchbacks in here, the beautiful chrome they have, the beautiful plastic, everything. I'm not even kidding. This is stunning, and once this is painted, it's going to look awesome. Other things included in the box is everything else to make the switchbacks and these mirrors work properly. Of course, we got to get the sticker on the truck first to let people know we're repping Boost Auto, and we'll get these mirrors installed. All right, guys, got her straight on there. Oh, yeah. All right, that was the most important part of this video. Just like that, guys, we have the door panel off. So you have to pop off the piece that's up here around your door lock, pop the handle off, screw up here on the top. There's 2 that go along the bottom. And then your mirror screws are 10 millimeters. And there's 3 of them. As you can see, once you get those off and disconnect the plug for your mirror, it'll come right out. Just like that, guys, we got our old beat up 3rd gen mirror out of the way. And now we have room for our new mirrors. Shoo! Look at that, guys. You can see me in that mirror. This thing is looking sweet. We're gonna get the other one done, and we're gonna get this all wired up and show you this. And for wiring our switchbacks and daytime running lights, we got to get the wires that are coming out of the mirror here into the cab and then out into the engine bay to tap onto the headlights. So you can see I finished the driver's side just to get an idea, but there's a little oval in here you run through. You run through your grommet, then get into the cab, run across the cab here, and then out your firewall. All right, guys, now we got the wires coming from both sides here. Now I just disconnected this bracket up here for this to get my impact in here. And you can see there's the firewall hole right there. Got those bolts out there, 15 millimeter. The bracket for this giant cluster right here is 13 millimeters. But we're going to get the firewall hole pulled and drill a hole in it. All right, now we got our hole drilled in it. I didn't go crazy because I know you'll be able to hear sounds from the engine, but I drilled a 3/4 inch hole, and I'll just get a grommet eventually to go in this. Just like that, guys, we have our wires ran through the firewall. Now we're just gonna have to make these look all pretty, and we're gonna have to pull the headlights out to tap off of those. And just like that, guys, we got them all wired up. Here's our passenger side. If we hit our 4-way flashers, you can see these. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. As you can see, these came out killer. It's gonna look really good when it's all tied together. I know we got a bit of a mess here going on, but we're gonna keep grinding away and getting these things done. Super stoked. Thanks Boost again for supplying an awesome product. Go check them out. If you need mirrors, switchbacks, they have cab lights, they have switchback running boards now. They got a ton of stuff. You guys don't want to miss out on their products, and I really do highly recommend them as a company. But thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.